Hi, I am Andrea Martinez. In this video, to explain the sounds in this corresponding vocal or consonant. In this is pronunciation and corresponding symbol. In this is the explain and example. Okay, let's go. A symbol. The A is pronounced longer. Example, father. B symbol. The B is pronounced louder. Crab, crab. C symbol. The C, if it goes before A, before E or I, it is pronounced as S. Example, city. D symbol. The D is pronounced louder. Door. E is pronounced as E. Example, bed. F symbol is pronounced as F. Follow. Example, follow. H, the G, the G is pronounced louder. German. H symbol, socket sound without falling into the J. Happy, happy. Example, I symbol, the I is pronounced louder. Little. Example, little. J symbol meets between CH and GI. Example, John. K symbol is pronounced as K. Example, K. L symbol, the L is pronounced louder. 11. M symbol, the N is pronounced louder. Mary. And the sorry guys, the N is pronounced louder. Example, nice. O symbol is pronounced as O. Example, dog. P symbol, the P is pronounced louder. Example, parrot. Q symbol is pronounced as K. Example, question. R symbol, measure between R and RR. Example, rock. S symbol is pronunciation as SA. Example, shoulder. Okay. T is pronounced as T. Try. U symbol, sound of E, position at the mouth as pronounced O. Example, servers. B. Symbol made the vocal cords vibrate. Example, vine. W. Push your legs in race. The butt of your tongue a bit near the roof of your mouth and voice out. Example, woman. F. Symbol union of K and S. Example, appendix. Y. So symbol sounds like the J, sorry, Y in Spanish. Example, yellow, yellow. Set symbol sounds like the union between S and C. Example, zero. Finish times by